Hello guys, in this video we're going to see how to sync Outlook contacts with Android. Firstly, open your Android settings and go to Apps. Scroll down, then tap Outlook. Tap Permissions, then select Contacts and choose Allow. To sync your contacts from the Outlook app, open the Outlook app on your Android device. Make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account. Now tap the Microsoft Office logo in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon to open settings. Select the Outlook account that has the contacts you want to sync, then find and toggle on Sync Contacts. And that's it, your Outlook contacts will now appear in your Android's native contact app automatically. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.